Okay, good morning, dear students. Greetings of the day. I hope that you are able to get my voice properly. Let's start. So we have completed up to chapter number 5. And chapter 7 that we have completed the equatorial region, and last chapter that we have discussed is chapter number 3. Okay, so let's continue. Yesterday I have sent the exercise and I hope that you have written, and if you have not written, if you have not completed, please start writing the remaining exercises. Okay, so today we are going to start new point, and that is we are going to do one activity that you are going to submit me online. Okay, so what we are going to do activity. So I am going to share the screen. I am going to show you with the help of the screen sharing, so you will better understand. Okay, let's start now. Now let's start. I am just I hope that you are getting my voice properly. Show me the thumb. Okay, good. Let's start now screen sharing, so you will better understand. We are going to start new topics so that it will be very helpful for you. Latitudes and longitudes. What you are supposed to do? First, I will do it here, and once you get time at your home, you can do it and send it on my personal WhatsApp number, and the marks will be counted. Okay. Let's start now. I am going to share the screen. Okay. On your screen right now, you are able to see already that we have completed about the different latitudes and longitudes. See, if you have textbook, just have a look on page number and chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, parallels and meridians, latitudes and longitude. So I am going to show some of the pictures of the latitudes and the longitude, which will help you to draw in proper way. And again, we are going to show you. Okay. So you will better understand. Now, what you are supposed to do? You have to take one blank page. Blank page. Okay. And according to these photographs, you have to draw the model of the Earth, globe that you have to draw with the use of the scale and all other instruments. Okay, and you have to show, you have to represent the North Pole, the South Pole, the different the equatorial region that I am going to send you. Equatorial region, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, equator 0 degree, according to, and you have to draw, and you have to draw, and you have to fill with the different colors. You can add your own colors. It will be look very beautiful once you add the different colors. It's depend on you how many colors that you are going to add. So on your screen right now, you are able to see. Okay. So in the same way, dear students, you have to draw. Okay. In the same way, you have to draw prime meridian, different meridians, longitudes and latitudes. You have to draw circle. Then you have to represent Tropic of Cancer 23.5 or 26 north. Then equator 0 degree. Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 south. Antarctic Circle, which is situated in southern hemisphere. Then Arctic Circle 66.34. Again, I am going to represent it so you will better understand. Here, what you are supposed to do it. Okay, you have to draw such a way everything, and you have to represent North Pole 90 degree, South Pole 90 degree. The Tropic of Cancer is passing through from the northern hemisphere, the equator. It is actually divide the earth into two different parts. Equator 0 degree. All you have to write with ball pen or whatever the color that you are going to use with pencil color. Okay, it will look, if you want to make chart, then it is also good, but you have to show me, and after that I am going to give proper marks according to your drawing, according to your representation. Okay, online that you have to submit, because nobody is coming here right now, so you have to submit this activity. You have to draw art and indicator. So you will better understand. You will enjoy to draw with the different colors. Okay. So this is just for the example, but you can do it. You can creatively, you can do it. You have to represent first of all North Pole, South Pole, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, equator 0 degree, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 north, then Arctic Circle, everything. Then also in the same way, northern hemisphere you have to represent. So equator divide the earth into two different parts, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Then Greenwich prime meridian, it is actually dividing the earth into two parts, the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Western hemisphere, it is here, this part. This whole part, it is known as the western hemisphere, and this one, it is known as the eastern hemisphere. So prime meridian is also you have to draw. This is for the example, but you can add your color. So I am going to show you some of the pictures, so you will get the idea. You can add your own creativity with the colors, with the pencil, with the sketch pen, with the watercolor on the chart, as well as you can also take one blank page. Okay, so it will look good and you will enjoy this activity very much. Here another picture, it is there, see, but don't copy from the Google. Don't copy from the Google photos. It will be not accepted. You have to draw according to your mindset, according to your idea. You have to add your creativity. You have to add your creativity. You have to express your talent here. And according to your talent, according to your drawing, according to your representation, I am going to give you the marks. Okay? I hope that you are getting what we are discussing right now. We are discussing about the activity submission. Okay, activity that you have to submit. Now, Mox, what is your question, beta?
Sir, you are two there. I am not comfortable.
You are?
Only two there. You are two names there and you are two also see.
Now it is only one here. Don't worry. Only one is there. Okay. I hope that you are getting what we have discussed. Thakkar, Devansi, then Nirmal, Moksha, Nandita, Mera, will you explain what I have just explained about the activity? What you are supposed to do in that activity?
I am going to do draw a circle, make a earth and represent all the things.
What you are going to represent on that diagram?
Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, North Pole, South Pole, Prime Meridian, Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere, and Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, and all the.
Southern, it is called Southern Hemisphere.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Let's start now. Okay. I hope Hardik Patel, will you explain what activity that you are going to do?
I make a circle and earth, a globe in the that I draw diagram of earth and equator and draw all the states, countries, and I write that Arctic Circle, Prime Meridian, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, South Pole, Prime Meridians, and
Okay, very good. Very nice answer. Very nice answer. Very good. Okay, so in the same way, okay, that we are going to do. Now, one more picture that I am going to show you, and according to that, we are going to draw right now. So you will better understand. Okay, let me take one blank photograph, and according to blank photograph, we are going to draw it. So you will better understand how you are going to draw. Okay, let's take. Okay, this one would be better. Very good. Okay, so according to this is just for your example. Whatever that I am drawing right now, this is just for the example. You can add your own creativity. You can add your talent. Okay, so let's start now. First of all, you have to draw. Okay, here I am again going to draw. First, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do the globe. Globe we are supposed to draw. Here you can see it. Okay, and afterwards, let's start now. The different lines. Equator, it is passing through. I am changing the color so you will better understand. Equator, 0 degree, then Tropic of Cancer, 23.5, then Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 south. Okay, then it is Arctic Circle, 66.5 Northern Hemisphere, 66.5 Antarctic Circle, which is situated in the South Pole. Here we have, okay, again I am going to draw. Here we have the North Pole. North Pole, which situated here. Okay, North Pole, 90 degree. Which will be here. 90 degree North Pole. Then here we have 23.5 Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Then here we have 0 degree. Equator. Then 23.5 south. 5 south. Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, then this one is the 90° South Pole. 90° South Pole will be here. Then this one, again I am going to draw the prime meridian. Prime meridian that divide the earth into two parts. Okay, from, again I am going to show you something. From this side, from here, it will be total, it will be northern hemisphere. Equator divide the earth. This equator divide the earth into two parts. So this part, it is known as northern hemisphere. Okay, so I am going to write down here the northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, and this one, this part on your screen right now. Okay, equator. Equator 0° to 90° South Pole. It is called the southern hemisphere. Okay. Southern hemisphere. Now, the western hemisphere, it is also there. But before that, let me explain this one. This one is the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle 66.5. 66.5 north. Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. And this one is the Antarctic Circle. 66.5. 66.5 South Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. Okay, 66.5, which is situated here. You can see this is 66.5 South Antarctic Circle, and this one is the 66.5 Arctic Circle. And one more thing. So this one is the prime meridian. Okay, prime meridian. So these divide the earth into two equal parts. This one is the prime meridian, Greenwich Mean Line. So it divides the earth into two different parts. Here we have the western hemisphere. Western hemisphere. Don't be confused in northern, western, southern, and eastern. And this one here, this part is known as the eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere up to here. Okay, and this one is the western hemisphere. Western hemisphere. Who divides the Greenwich Mean Line? The prime meridian divides the earth into two equal parts. The western hemisphere, it is situated here, and in the eastern hemisphere, this one is the western, and this one is the eastern hemisphere. Okay, so don't be confused. So I'm going to write down here the eastern hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere. Okay, so this is your your diagram will look like this way, but you can add your color, you can use another color, different way you can represent. In this way you can take the different charts also, different blank page, white page, yellow page, red, But if you are choosing the dark color in background, so your color should be that. So you can easily represent the different parallels and meridians. Okay. I hope that you are getting what we are discussing right now. Okay. So in this way, my dear students, just observe this, and according to this, you have to draw and submit me. Okay. Thank you so much. I hope that you have understood very well. Okay. Thank you.